here's a first little obstacle. Basically, I got David holding the camera here. Pretty deep little ditch line here. It's all about just finding that center point, using the left side to kind of drive yourself into that right side wall so you don't slip down. The hard part is there's a real big dip right here, and it catches me. It takes me right over to the left. Here's where I try to gas out, and basically we get stuck in a high center position here for about 5 minutes, and end up having to pull the winch out. Well, I didn't make it that time, but at least we got to try out the winch, so we're gonna give these other guys a shot, see what happens. Boy, that's a hole there.
Yeah, that's a hole.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're watching me, huh?
You're good.
You're gonna have to dig into that wall. Turn into it. There you go. Driver, just a little bit. Keep coming. Turn passenger. Straight. Turn passenger. Straight. Passenger, 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 passenger. This is where it's gonna get sketchy. Keep passenger. Straight. Come towards me. Easy on that clutch. Towards me. Turn into it. You had just a split second to do that too.
Yep.
Think you could throw it in reverse?
Reverse?
Put it in reverse. Keep your arms inside.
All right, what do you want me to do?
Just back up. Back up, and you're gonna have to. Yeah. Just go nice and slow.
He ain't going home.
Hey, you're not going anywhere. You might be able to do that, but
Nope.
yeah, I don't think so.
Need the winch? All right, somebody grab the winch.
You're.
You need my winch?
I think you need to go backwards. You don't want to. You don't want to pull forward through this.
Yeah.
No.
All right.
I think Riley's gonna pull you backwards. Shut it off, because right now you got all that oil is gonna go right up to the side of the motor.
All right, it's in neutral.
Cool.
That's bad. I think it's gonna go about side on the side deep.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull him out.
Can I didn't watch you?
You're making
So right here we're pulling them out in two-wheel drive simply to save the belt.
There it is. Oh no, it's that back tire.
So You gonna try it, Riley? Yeah. The only hard part is that little transition going from the right to the left. Yeah. Just a little bit of a hiccup. All right, so we're gonna let Riley give this a shot. See if he can make it happen. Can't take you nowhere. Always trying to take a nap out here.
Oh yeah. He gets tired every now and then.
Right? All right, here goes Riley. Passenger. Easy, Riley. Easy, Riley. We're all up on plastics over here. You're all over the intake. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I know. They slicker and shit. I'm getting my Crocs on.
Ooh, boy, you was coming. It's real shallow right here. You should be fine if you come up this way. Get it. Oh, boy.
It's fine. It's not going nowhere.
You're making headway. That might be it. Make sure you get right when you start coming up so you don't high center. Turn into it. Turn into it. Turn into it. Right there, Riley. Passenger, passenger. Yeah, yeah.
He's high centered here. He's high centered right
That's
here.
okay. We just need.
High centered right here.
Hold up. David, hold this. Hold this right
All
here.
right, now you good. Now you good. Hey, everything else.
Go, 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 go!
That's it, Riley. You're okay. Right there. Now figure out your line. Right there. No more. No more. Figure out your line. There you go. There you go. Go, go, go.
Yeah.
Driver.
Oh no. Oh, go, go, go. Yeah. Woo. That is awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Friggin' sweet. Tearing it up. Hell yeah, Riley. More passenger. Back up and try it again. You need to take it wider. That's good. Now stay up against that wall.
All right.
One fell swoop. Whoop! Right up.
All right.
Driver, 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 driver.
The long stuff really makes it easy.
Ooh, sweat. Driver. Driver. Keep coming. There you go. Stop, 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 stop. Your grill's popping out. Driver. Try and back up a little bit and just get a little momentum and just kind of come up it. There you go.
Dang, newbie. I know, right?
Easy. It ain't your Porsche.
You right there.
Easy, easy. You broke an axle.
You broke that axle.
All right, so now we're here at White Sands. We're gonna piddle around to here a little bit. Watch these guys do some fun stuff. Hey, it's Brian! Brian! I found you! Hey! Left, go left. Keep your hands in. Turn left, there you go. What do you think, boy?
Pretty fun. I'm ready for some hot dogs.
Damn it, I wish I was recording when you said, "What up, David?" What up, Juan?
It's slippery, bro.
I was gonna say, it looks slippery. Oh, man. All right, let's see if we can do it. Try it again. All right, so this here is Juan Torres. He's a good friend of mine. Used to ride side by sides.
Ain't that mine?
Golly, bro, just throw it up there. What a riot. It's awesome.
up so easy. Dude, it's like the engagement on this thing is perfect for doing shit like that. It's like all you have to do is just get into it and it just goes right up. Seems a lot more forgiving on parts too.
Yes.
You know?
Oh, very.
Yeah. Straight up. Get it. Go. 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 Good job, bro. Whoa! Whoa! Easy killer. Fresh out the shop with a gear reduction, huh? Perfect. That it? Those 35s, right?
Hey, up this side.
That's it. That's the line right there. You're the only one having trouble.
Thank you.
Straighten it out a little bit.
There you go.
Momentum. You're good. Just come up and turn driver. Momentum, go.
It would help if that tire was on right. Yeah, it would help, right?
Yeah. Freaking fantastic.
Hey everybody, that's going to do it for part one of the Red River Motorcycle Trailer ride here this past Sunday. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be posting part two up here in the next couple days. Make sure you guys come check it out. Share this one with your friends, and we'll see you guys here again soon. Take it easy.